What are you doing?
Working out.
What kind of working out is that?
Every day. I'm just playing in our house. My favorite Minecraft. Like this. I'm gonna play later if my friends arrive here. I'm just gonna go play and then I'm gonna make I'll take a bath first and then I'll play with my friends and then I'll make a pillow fort. Whee! Hi guys, it's Saturday. I'm gonna play today and then I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna make a pillow fort. I'm just watching for a little while. I'm watching Mikey and KJ.
Bring dirt back to your cell. You're not allowed to take anything.
We got to play time.
In that case, I'll hand these over to you. It must be time to wrap up for the day, right? Oh, yes it is. That one.
I'm gonna play with my toys.
Darn, I'm hungry. Could I have some dinner,
O
please?
guys, inyo maglapit.
Hey, hi TJ. What's up? Well, I was wondering if you wanted to play some PvP roulette today. We can battle each other with random swords and armor. Really? I have a powerful
Why?
shield to protect me.
I'm big.
Bring it on, JJ.
You're small.
Do anything. Oh, one more thing. Ranged weapons are off limits. I'm using swords only. Fine by me. I'll do a melee battle.
I help you cut your nail.
But hang on.
No. I said I'm taller. You're shorter.
I'm short king. Let's do this. All right, let's get started. Can I go first? Yeah, go for it. Okay, go mine. Let's see. I look like a fashion model. That certainly looks interesting. My turn. There.
Makat mo nakarong nail mo. Sige lang tada sa ano ha.
Hey, Mikey, what do you think? These outfits look crazy. I feel like we're gonna start a trend. Oh well, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, start.
Ako bala.
Big arena.
No.
Ouch! Yes, I have the high ground. Wait, time out. We should show each other our weapons. A stone sword. Take this. I knew you'd do that. I barely took any damage though. Sorry. Come on again. Take that. Oops, my bad.
Nakakanami ako.
Ay, syempre, wala nagakulot akong buhok. Mami, bakla o balad adamo kong bini ko, melody kong, kakaromi kong, seminaro kong.
Nga ka gusto kulot yung mo buhok. Aha.
Ay, gusto ko yung dubre ito sa TikTok to bala.
Nami yung kulot ang buhok mo. Kaya daw si ano ka, daw si anong yellow ang buhok?
Si Rapunzel.
Kulot yung buhok.
Hindi kan. Straight iya buhok ang laba.
Kulot.
Hindi ako gusto yan. Gusto mo si El. Gusto ko yung Elsa.
Elsa, kulot mo ang buhok na
Ay,
Elsa.
ano gali ano gaya ng princess ma?
Cinderella.
Oo, Cinderella.
Kulot mo ang buhok sa Cinderella.
Straight iya buhokad. Pagkat niya nag-straight.
Take ta.
Hindi.
Take ta para.
Hindi.
Hindi ka na may ansang buhok mo ha.
Hindi ako gusto magkulot. Kaya gusto straight to balang nito.
Tika ta na parang mag-straight siya.
Hindi. Inside, walang yan.
Sayo mo para.
Mag-straight. I want red. Let it go, let it go. I don't want to win the sky. Let it go, let it go. I don't miss down, boy. I don't care what I'm going to say. The storm come by me anyways. The funny I have some distance makes sense. The field won't control me, impacts me at all. It's time to see what I can do. The touchdown. And yellow wait. Wait, no, get the I see a train. The train is called named Fran. She moves slowly. Fran is green, red, and black. That's it. Hi guys, I'm going to church today because I'm going to church there. Right there. We're going to church right now. It's because I still eat chocolate. I love chocolate. Yummy. I love chocolate. We're going to church. We're going to church right over there. Let's go to church.
Reading.
Huh?
Reading.
We're going to church in reading.
Reading.
We're going to church in reading.
Where are you going?
I'm going to church. Yeah. So yummy.
What?
So yummy. Perfect.
Look at your OOTD. Abo.
yung sunod.
Tubang din.
Ang puso ko. Sabi mo, alam mo ako, sabi mo, ako, ang puso ko. Sabi mo,
Anong title ng song mo?
ano? Sabi mo, duwa ko, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko. Ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko. Ikaw lang ang nanonod. Habang ako'y bubuhay, hindi ko kaya mabuhay. Dito kaya mabuhay. Dito kaya mabuhay na. Habang ako'y mabubuhay. Kaya makahay, dito kaya mapuna, kung mabubuhay. Pwede mo nabasa? Sa asa lang ni mag-agis ang basa? Hindi abalo na? Hindi ka mo na pala nga. Ano nga, kinabasahan. Sabi mo, ikaw naman wala. Hindi naman kabalo? Ikaw naman hindi kabalo? Si Mika hindi man kabalo, pero kabalo na sa ikaw wala pa.
Muna sa
Come on. Sige, study. Sige, plaster. Pizza, here's your pizza. I need to finish. Hi guys, my mom bought this piggy bank and saved all my money. Here is my melody. There's also a password. That actually the password is 095638588. But my brother won't know actually. This is not actually just a password that you can open this safe. Look at the back. There's also a hidden key in the back. You'll get it here. And you'll put it right here. And then you twist it. And then you put it here. I put all of my money safely here. I got this one. I got so many monies. I also got some pretend coins. I also got a real coin. Looks like a real money, but actually it's just a plain money. Bye guys, that's the end of my video. If you want to lock it, you just close this, put it here, and then if you locked it already, don't worry here. Here's the money. If you already closed it. And then locked. But you have to put it in the back. And then here, There's also a money that could also fit right here. Here. And also the big one can also fit. And then the coins will go in this tiny slot. And then that's it. Bye guys. That's the end of my video. Guys, today is my exam, so please pray for me for the wisdom. Thank you.